air conditioners. Note: CH03 or E3 error have different meaning with the different types of air conditioners. CH03 only for ductable or concealed types of air conditioners. The cause is communication error between wired controller and PCB. As you can see in the display, this is the remote control and the PCB and have wired. Let's see troubleshooting. That types of unit who support wired control remote. Number 1 is check your wired controller for loose connection or moisture on connectors. Number 2, check your remote control wire for broken, open or in short condition. Number 3, change your remote control or indoor unit main PCB board. CH03 or E3 for split type inverter air conditioner. The cause is no refrigerant in the unit. No refrigerant. Troubleshooting. Number 1, check if the outdoor unit was completely open or not. As you can see in the display, open both of the walls completely. Number 2, first of all find the place from where the gas leaked, fix it. Number 3 is vacuum the unit and fill the refrigerant. That's it. Thank you so much for watching the video.